Financial freedom doesn't have to mean living like a monk. It is about upgrading your priorities to build wealth while still enjoying the beauty of life today. Saving is not just about cutting costs, it is about intentional choices. Today, I will share 30 small changes to transform your mindset and your bank balance. These small upgrades require no extreme sacrifice, just a shift in perspective. Let us start with how you manage your daily spending for maximum long-term value. First, embrace the 24-hour rule. Before clicking buy on any non-essential online item, wait a full day to ensure it is a need, not an impulse. Audit your subscriptions and cancel what you do not use. Focus on quality over quantity. A durable item that lasts years is cheaper than buying cheap replacements. Brew your own coffee at home and always shop with a prepared list. These habits prevent those small, hidden leaks that eventually drain your monthly budget. Use cashback apps for every purchase and commit to eating out one less time per week. These tiny wins accumulate into significant savings over several months. Shop off-season for clothing to get premium brands at a fraction of the price. Always compare prices online before heading to the checkout counter for anything. Leverage your local library for books and digital media instead of buying everything. It is a gold mine of free knowledge and entertainment that saves you thousands yearly. Stop looking only at the price tag and start looking at the value. Cheap items often cost more in the long run through frequent replacements and frustration. Track every dollar for 1 week to find where your money actually goes. Awareness is the first step toward reclaiming control over your hard-earned financial resources. Now that we have optimized your spending, let us pivot to the psychological side. True wealth is built on a foundation of strong and forward-thinking financial mindsets. Always pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the moment your paycheck arrives before you pay any other bills. Prioritize your emergency fund. Having 3 to 6 months of expenses tucked away provides the peace of mind needed to make better, less desperate financial decisions. Invest in yourself. Spending money on books, courses, or certifications is the highest return investment you can ever make, increasing your earning potential for a whole lifetime. Dedicate 15 minutes a day to learning about personal finance. Understanding the language of money removes the fear of money and allows you to play the game effectively. Understand the power of compound interest. Even small amounts invested early and consistently grow into a fortune over time. Time is your greatest asset in building wealth. Learn to distinguish between assets and liabilities. Stop buying things that take money out of your pocket and start buying things that put money into it. Set specific, measurable financial goals. Knowing exactly what you are saving for makes it much easier to stay disciplined when you are tempted by mindless consumption. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees and stress. Also, commit to never carrying a balance on your credit cards because high interest kills wealth. Learn the power of saying no to social events that do not align with your values or budget. Real friends will always respect your financial boundaries. Prioritize exercise to keep your future medical costs low. A healthy body is your primary tool for earning, and prevention is always cheaper than any treatment. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Rested minds make better financial decisions, are more productive, and are much less prone to emotional shopping. Start learning the basics of the stock market or real estate. Investing is no longer optional if you want to stay ahead of inflation and build legacy. Diversify your income streams so you are not reliant on a single employer. Seek out a financial mentor or coach to help navigate your personal path. Reinvest your profits instead of spending them. Letting your gains earn their own gains is how you accelerate the journey toward total financial independence and security. Review your cash flow every week. This keeps your goals top of mind and allows you to make quick adjustments before small overspendings turn into major financial setbacks. Buy experiences rather than material goods. Research shows that memories of a trip or a class bring much more long-term happiness than a new designer bag. You do not need to implement all 30 changes at once. Just pick one thing today and commit to it. Real wealth is built through consistent upgrades. Financial freedom is a journey of 1,000 small steps. Master your money so it cannot master you. Thank you for watching and start your upgrade.